Hi there and welcome to a video tutorial about how to make transparent pictures. My favorite way of doing this is going to a web place called Lunapic. I visit this web page so often that I have a shortcut here on my Elgato Stream Deck so I can get to this place faster. But there will be links in the description below of the video for this web page. Now let's say we want to make that wine glass into a transparent picture. Let's go to upload here, click choose file, then find the file. It is going to pop up here, go to edit, click on transparent background, and then just click anywhere on the white area that you want to make into a transparent picture, and ta-da! Then hit Ctrl and S on your keyboard and it's gonna save the file with a really strange name. Just grab and drop that into your desktop or where you wanna place the image. And as you can see, you can use this transparent picture in any form of device software that you choose to use. DaVinci Resolve, vMix, OBS, whatever it is you need your transparent picture for. There's a lot more stuff that you can do with Lunapic, but this was a short tutorial about how to make a transparent picture fast and easy with that web page. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.